If you need to apostille a birth certificate in Florida, here's a simple way to do it step by step. Start by filling out the Apostille and Notarial Certificate Request form. You can get this form from the Florida Department of State's website. Just make sure all your details are correct before printing it. Next, you'll need the actual document. For a birth certificate, it has to be an original certified copy. Photocopies won't work. If your document was notarized, it must include the full notarial statement, the original notary's signature, and their stamp or seal. Again, no copies, only originals are accepted. Now, prepare your return envelope. You have two options. You can use a regular envelope with a stamp and your name and address written as both the sender and the recipient. Or, if you want tracking, use a prepaid, pre-addressed air bill from a service like FedEx or UPS. Again, with your name and address listed on both ends. For payment, it's either $10 or $20 per document. If your birth certificate was certified by the clerk of the court in any Florida county, it'll be $20 total, $10 for the apostille, and $10 for the certificate of incumbency. If not, then just $10. Make your check or money order payable to the Florida Department of State. It has to be in US dollars and drawn from a US bank. They don't accept cash or cards. Once everything's ready, your form, original document, return envelope, and payment, mail it all to the Division of Corporations Apostille section. The full mailing address is listed on their official website. That's it. Just give it a bit of time and your apostilled birth certificate will be on its way back to you.